Hello everybody, I'm Leslie. I work here at Drip IV Wellness in Med Spa, and I am here to talk to you about a product that we have here called Sculptra. Sculptra is a biostimulatory aesthetic injectable that helps stimulate your own collagen. And collagen is a fibrous protein that maintains our skin's shape and structure. At the age of 20, you start to lose about 1% of this collagen, and by the age of 40, you've already lost 20% of your collagen. So the Sculptra is very nice because it is going to help to produce that collagen through your own body doing it for you. Sculptra is the first and original FDA approved poly-L-lactic acid facial injectable that targets fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, loss of volume in the face. It targets all those areas and will gradually restore your skin structure. So it's kind of like a fertilizer for your face. It forms a framework that supports and maintains your skin's inner structure. We use Sculptra for the cheeks. We can use it in the marionette lines and the nasolabial fold lines. We can do some different areas on the face with that. It helps to give you that volume. And the really cool thing about it is all the women are really looking for that natural glow. It gives you a natural glow. So a lot of people are spending money on products to get that glowing skin, and this will actually naturally do that for you. Showed in studies about 66.5%. It will increase your collagen, your type 1 collagen after 3 months. You will need approximately anywhere from 2 to 3 treatments depending on your age and how your face and your collagen elasticity in your face and everything like that is. But for your optimum results, you really want to try to do your 2 to 3 treatments. Results can be seen as soon as in 1 month. We want to separate those treatments out within a 30-day time frame, just to let that kind of work its way in the body and your face and make all that work. So you have to wait for about a month before you can do your second treatment. People will start to notice some results within 30 days, but you will see your optimal results after you do all your treatments. So within like 3 months, you're gonna have some volume in your face, you're gonna have that glow, you're gonna look more youthful. Aftercare with Sculptra is really important just because you want to massage that area. We use a rule that's 5, 5, and 5. So after you get your treatment, you want to massage your face for 5 minutes a day, or for 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 consecutive days. And why is because when we inject this in there, you want to kind of smooth that out. You don't want to get any nodules because that's a risk factor with it if you're not massaging and making sure that you're doing the proper aftercare for it. So you can get those little nodules. You can get a little bit of bruising. That's common with any injectables. That can happen. A little bit of bleeding. That bleeding will stop obviously when we're finished. Things like that to think about. It's not like your normal filler, because your normal filler kind of just fills in the lines. And the Sculptra, like I said, kind of builds within and rebuilds that structure in your face. So I like that a lot because it's more of a natural stimulant. I told you about the areas that we can treat. It is a safe product. It has been FDA approved since 1999. It's made with a synthetic material, which is the poly-L-lactic acid, and it's absorbed naturally by your body. Side effects, I kind of told you. You can have skin site injection pain, a little bit of bruising, bleeding, things like that, little bumps under your skin. I think I told you that as well. Who can receive it? That's an important thing to ask. You have to have a healthy immune system. So if you're immunocompromised, it's something we would need to really talk about. If you have a history of like keloids or hypertrophic scarring, things like that, you may not be the best candidate for it, but it's something we can discuss. I would always say just come in. We do free consultations. That's really good to have, so then that way you can kind of discuss it with your injector and you can decide on if you want that, or if you're a good candidate for that or something else. Pretty much I think I've covered most of the things. The treatments I told you are 3 months apart. Well, that's pretty much the majority of the Sculptra product that we have. I would say just come in for consultation. It's an amazing product. We've had some really great results with that. Oh, I guess I did forget to tell you that it does last up to 2 years and possibly longer, but they just quit doing the studies after 2 years. So it very well may last up longer than 2 years, but that's when they kind of stopped doing the studies because it was still building over that time frame. I think that's mainly the big things on Sculptra. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to leave a comment and we can respond. All right, thank you. Everybody have a good day.